Hello everyone, I am Adnan, and in this video I will be demonstrating you the graphical user interface which I built for JARVIS project, which is actually an artificial intelligence project. So this is a complete code of that which I have programmed and which approximately goes till 1000 lines. So anyways, let's run the code.
Initiating JARVIS.
So it's JARVIS is initiating.
System initiated. Please verify biometric scan, then you can use the system.
Okay.
Verification successful.
So this is the main screen of JARVIS which I've created, and it shows the live temperature of any city. So here I am at present. I'm in Jaipur, so it is showing Jaipur, and temperature, humidity, and all that description is here. So for example, if I travel to another place, it will display the location of that place. So what basically it does is it gets the IP address of this location and tries to find the geodata of that location, and then after that through that geodata I extract the humidity, pressure, sky description, and temperature and all that. So this is all that, and this is a buttons like YouTube, News, Maps, Google, Vedantu, and this is my channel Hobby Master, and that's the YouTube Studio, and this shows that current power level at 100%. So this is all about that, and it shows the live time also in up here, and this is the terminal. So let's initiate the system now.
Adnan, how may I help you?
Hello JARVIS.
Hello, Adnan, how may I help you? How can I help you next?
How are you, JARVIS?
I am fine, how about you, sir?
I am fine.
I am impressed. What would you like me to help you next with?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni, according to Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, born July 7, 1981, is a former Indian international cricketer who captained the Indian national team in limited overs formats from 2007 to 2017 and in Test cricket from 2008 to 2014. He is honorary lieutenant colonel with the Indian Territorial Army, PARA. Under his captaincy, India won the inaugural 2007 ICC World 2020, 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, 2013 ICC Champions Trophy, and 2010 and 2016 Asia Cups. How can I help you next?
JARVIS, where I am?
Wait, sir, let me check. Sir, I think we are in Jaipur, city of India. What's the next command for me, Adnan?
What's the time?
The time is now 22 hours 17 minutes and 51 seconds. What's the next command for me, Adnan?
JARVIS, tell me a joke.
How many programmers does it take to kill a cockroach? 2. One holds, the other installs Windows on it. What would you like me to help you next with?
What is deep learning? Search.
Okay, mail, searching, what is deep learning, in Google. Ready to take next command, your command's at priority.
Lock window.
Locking the device. Ready to take next command, your command's at priority. Unable to recognize your voice.
Empty recycle bin.
Recycle bin recycled. What's your next command, Adnan?
Sleep.
Sorry sir, I didn't get that. Ready to take next command, your command's at priority.
JARVIS, sleep.
Okay sir.
So through this button I can wake the systems back.
I am back in your service, sir. What's your next command, Adnan?
Where is Ajmer Sharif?
Locating Ajmer Sharif in Google Maps. How can I help you next?
Asleep?
Unable to recognize your voice.
Okay, Jarvis.
Unable to recognize your voice.
Okay, Jarvis, write a note.
What should I write, sir?
Jarvis systems are working very fine and it's created by me. That's Adnan.
Mail, should I include date and time?
Yes.
Unable to write time in note. Sorry, but note has been written without time. Ready to take next command. Your command's at priority.
Show note.
Showing notes. JARVIS systems a voting very fine and it's created by me that none. Ready to take next command. Your command's at priority.
Jarvis, tell me system information.
System information. System, Windows. Node name, laptop CIPK05080. Release, 10. Version, 10.0.2200. Machine, AMD 64. Processor, Intel 64 Family 6 Model 142 Stepping 11, Genuine Intel. What's your next command, Adnan?
Today's date.
What's the next command for me, Adnan?
CPU information.
This CPU has 4 physical cores. Total cores, 8. What's your next command, Adnan?
Frequency of CPU.
Max frequency, 1800.00 MHz. Min frequency, 0.00 MHz. Current frequency, 1600.00 MHz. How can I help you next?
Usage of CPU.
The CPU usage per core is displayed here. And total CPU usage, 67.4%. What would you like me to help you next with?
Tell me memory information.
The memory information of this computer is total, 7.88 GB. Available, 1.46 GB. Used, 6.43 GB. Percentage, 81.5%. The swap memory details are total, 11.78 GB. Free, 2.48 GB. Used, 9.30 GB. Percentage, 79%. What's your next command, Adnan?
Launch PowerPoint.
Launching Microsoft PowerPoint. Ready to take next command. Your command's at priority.
Tell me weather.
The temperature in Jaipur is 19 degrees C. Pressure is 1 atm 1015 HPA. Humidity is 48%. Sky description is smoke. What's the next command for me, Adnan?
Calculate derivative of sine square x cos x.
d/dx sin caret 2 x cos x equals 2 sin x cos caret 2 x sin caret 3 x. What's the next command for me, Adnan?
What is differentiation?
One noun, a discrimination between things as different and distinct. 2 noun, the mathematical process of obtaining the derivative of a function. 3 noun, biology, the structural adaptation of some body part for a particular function. What would you like me to help you next with?
Jarvis, you helped me a lot. Thank you. Exit.
Thanks for giving me your time.
So that was how this program works. So it was some of that errors that happened in between, like it was good at like systems. So thank you. All this for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Anyways, bye.